Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, What If I Infinity, back with another video. Today we're doing What If Deku had Overhaul's quirk. And I'm just gonna straight up jump into it. When they're trying to evaluate his quirk, whenever they're stabbing him with the needles to get his blood so they can test it. Either the needle itself just disintegrates like Overhaul does stuff to it, or basically his blood is like acid, like a non-stoppable acid. Basically, a doctor was holding it, and his whole entire body's just started to disappear because it got out of the tube. So they go like, his quirk is either something, and he just says Overhaul. That's what my quirk is, and everyone asks, how do you know this? And he goes like, 'cause I do. 2 days later, Bakugo's bullying someone, and then he goes like, he just as an insult to Bakugo, he goes like, Bakugo, stop walking around. The police is gonna come find you because you're a walking terrorist. And then Bakugo says, yeah, well, you're a walking bomb squad. Because all he has to do is touch it to disassemble it. That's cool. And Deku's gonna get one for all, just so you know. Oh yeah. His mum's gonna die when he is 4. Like, 2 days after he gets his quirk tested. Because, he accidentally activates his quirk, because he can't control it. And now, Deku constantly has these 4 extra arms. So he has gloves now, and everything. Picture Chisaki's costume, and put it down to Deku's size, and that's what Deku's wearing is all the time. Time skip to the 0.0 robot. Deku just touches it, and he gains a lot of material from that. Like, basically has all that material stored up inside of him now. To the point where, you know, Chisaki's like ultimate monster that he made against Deku. Yeah, he can make about 20 of those without getting more atoms or material. I'm gonna say Deku, now this is where Aizawa tests their quirk. Then Deku creates the giant ultimate beast Chisaki made, and throws that ball into, out of orbit. Then Deku Deku gets first and everything. Oh yeah, and he also has one for all, as I said. And he doesn't break his bones, because he just resets them. And Bakugo is jealous of Deku's quirk, so he does a full Hauser on Deku, but Bakugo just gets disintegrated. And Deku like, I ain't putting that back together. Um, and then Aizawa says, "Okay, just clean it up," and he goes, "Okay." But he accidentally reassembles Bakugo when he was cleaning it up. He goes, "God damn it!" So then he just grabs Minato and disassembles him, and he goes like, "I did a good thing." Fast forward to the USJ arc. Oh yeah, and just when he disassembles people, he gets their quirk because he's defeated them, and that's how I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna say he straight up disassembles like 50 villains. Sorry, all those weak villains he disassembles, and even the Nomu and Korogiri and Shigaraki, and everyone going like, "His quirk is way too OP." Alright guys, that's where I'm gonna leave it. Bye bye.